Imagine a world where we could switch specific brain cells on and off with the flick of a light switch. This isn't science fiction. It's the reality of optogenetics. Optogenetics is revolutionizing our understanding of the brain. It's a tool that combines light and genetics to control neurons, the fundamental units of our nervous system. The human brain is the most complex structure in the known universe. It contains billions of neurons, each connected to thousands of others. This intricate network allows us to think, feel, and experience the world around us. Optogenetics provides a way to study this complex system with unprecedented precision. Scientists can use light to activate or inhibit specific groups of neurons. This allows them to study the role of these neurons in various brain functions. The implications for medicine are profound. Optogenetics holds the potential to treat a wide range of neurological and psychiatric disorders. These include Parkinson's disease, epilepsy, and even depression. Let's delve into this groundbreaking technology and explore its potential to illuminate the mysteries of the brain.
Optogenetics might sound complicated, but the basic principle is quite simple. It relies on the amazing ability of certain proteins to respond to light. These proteins, called opsins, are found in many organisms, from bacteria to algae. Opsins act like tiny switches. When exposed to specific wavelengths of light, they change shape. This shape-shifting triggers a cascade of events within the neuron. Scientists can insert the genes that code for these opsins into specific neurons. They do this using viruses as delivery vehicles. The virus infects the target neurons and delivers the opsin genes. Once these genes are inside the neurons, they start producing opsins. The neurons are now light-sensitive.
The process of using optogenetics in research involves several steps. First, scientists choose the specific opsin that responds to the desired wavelength of light. Next, they package the gene for that opsin into a harmless virus. The virus is then injected into the brain region of interest. It delivers the opsin gene to the target neurons. After some time, the neurons begin to express the opsin protein. They become sensitive to light. Finally, a thin fiber optic cable is implanted into the brain. This cable delivers light to the target neurons. By shining light of the correct wavelength, scientists can now control the activity of these neurons.
Section 4. Deciphering the brain's secrets, behavior and memory. Optogenetics has already led to groundbreaking discoveries in neuroscience. One area where it has shown immense promise is in understanding behavior and memory. For example, researchers have used optogenetics to study fear responses in mice. By activating specific neurons in the amygdala, the brain's fear center, they can trigger a fear response in the mice. Conversely, by inhibiting these neurons, they can suppress the fear response. These findings could pave the way for new treatments for anxiety disorders and phobias in humans. Optogenetics has also been instrumental in studying memory formation. Scientists have used it to manipulate the activity of neurons in the hippocampus, a brain region crucial for memory. They can even activate specific memories in mice. Section 5. A beacon of hope. Medical applications. The potential of optogenetics extends far beyond basic research. It holds immense promise for treating a wide range of neurological and psychiatric disorders. One area where optogenetics is generating significant excitement is in the treatment of Parkinson's disease. This debilitating disorder is characterized by the loss of dopamine-producing neurons in the brain, leading to tremors, stiffness, and difficulty with movement. Optogenetic therapies aim to restore dopamine signaling in the brain by either stimulating surviving dopamine neurons or by reprogramming other types of neurons to produce dopamine. Epilepsy is another area where optogenetics shows promise. In epilepsy, abnormal electrical activity in the brain leads to recurrent seizures. Optogenetics could potentially prevent seizures by either suppressing the activity of overexcited neurons or by enhancing the activity of inhibitory neurons.
As a patient benefiting from optogenetics treatment, I can say it has truly changed my life. The potential applications are vast, and the hope it brings to those suffering from neurological disorders is incredible.
Section 6. Navigating the Ethical Labyrinth. While the potential benefits of optogenetics are enormous, it also raises important ethical considerations. One concern is the potential for misuse. Could optogenetics be used to control people's thoughts or actions against their will? While this scenario seems like science fiction, it's important to consider the ethical implications of such powerful technology. Another concern is the potential for unintended consequences. The brain is incredibly complex, and manipulating its activity could have unforeseen side effects. It's crucial to proceed with caution and ensure that the benefits of optogenetic therapies outweigh the risks. Furthermore, there are questions about access and equity. Who will benefit from these potentially life-changing therapies, and who will be left behind? These ethical dilemmas highlight the need for open discussions and careful regulation as optogenetics continues to develop.
Section 7. A Bright Future. Optogenetics and Beyond. Optogenetics is still a relatively young field, but it has already transformed our understanding of the brain. As research progresses, we can expect even more exciting developments in the years to come. One promising area is the development of wireless optogenetics. This would eliminate the need for implanted fiber optic cables, making the technology less invasive and more widely applicable. Another area of active research is the development of new and improved opsins. Scientists are constantly searching for opsins that are more sensitive to light, respond to different wavelengths of light, and target specific types of neurons. Optogenetics is also paving the way for other innovative neurotechnologies. For example, scientists are developing brain-computer interfaces that use light to both record and manipulate brain activity. These interfaces hold tremendous potential for treating paralysis and other neurological disorders.